Now I'll run through the capture of EMR and its workflow. Okay, what's the typical workflow in ophthalmic clinic? A patient walks in, patient can go to the front desk. From there, he'll have his registration done. Then he comes to the nurses area for examination and dilatation, consults doctor. He either has to go back from the doctor to the nurses area, or he can, from the doctor area, he goes to the pharmacy or to the opticals, or plan up the surgery and then goes to the billing. If he is going to be operated, he will go to the insurance section. Okay. What are the 8 steps for EMI implementation? First, the EMI is all about teamwork. It's queue management actually. We can configure the workflow of the multiple case sheet support can be done. Data is captured as the patient goes through the workflow. Nurses can help the doctor to capture the data. Image management is also there. Multiple roles can be played by one person. Okay, this reception is the first point of contact for the patient in the hospital. He registers the arrival of the patient and the workflow begins. So we know exactly what's the time the patient walks in and what's the time the patient comes in. So we'll know the waiting time of the patient. Okay, this is approximately the time which is taken in my setup. Okay, then the optometrist, he records the previous medical history, captures the complaints and symptoms, and systemic illness, complaints and symptoms of the history, vision, AR, all that is done by the optometrist. Then preliminary examination, this is the first interaction with the doctor, where the doctor examines the patient, determines what investigations to be done, and then the investigation will be ordered by the doctor and it will flow to the respective systems. You can upload the images from the machine. Consultation, more examination is there, discussion with the patients, treatment plan and options, and you prescribe. When you prescribe, this EMR will help you understand what is the availability of the stock. So if we want to give refreshed tears for a patient, when we type refreshed tears in the prescription place, we will know whether the availability of the stock is there or not. Pharmacy, where the patient, once he goes to the pharmacy, he receives a medical prescription from the doctor, where it can be retrieved from the system. The pharmacist can retrieve it from the system. Pharmacy, we maintain the drug inventory. Vendors vends based on patient requirement and accepts return from the customer. In optical, it receives the glass prescription from the doctor, maintains frame and lens inventory, books orders and sends for job work, and quality check is also there. Contact lens, again the contact lens prescription is received, maintains contact lens inventory, contact lens trials and sales order and delivery. Okay. Actually, EMR templates can be made. We can design our EMR. There are a lot of components, nearly 40-45 components are there, and you can design the case sheet accordingly. So whichever case sheet you want, you can just click to the case sheet and use the case sheet. So what all the components you want will come in that case sheet. So unnecessarily, all the other things need not be there. Okay, let me just discuss the sample screens. This is the registration screen. The floor administration can be done. So you will know exactly where the patient is sitting. Doctor screen. You will know whether it's a walk-in patient or not, and there is a star there which indicates it's a new set of patients. And here you will know the patient status, whether the patient is in the consultation, whichever is completed, it will be there, patient status, and you can raise the bill also from this area. Okay, this is a case sheet, which in a sample case sheet. Okay, actually we can create templates for the diseases. So we can put what all complaints you want there in the template, so that the nurses don't have to type it every time. So when you go to the refractive error, for example, so I put these 4 symptoms: headache, defective distant vision, near vision, watering. So once it is clicked, the staff needn't enter it. They just have to enter the number of period of disease. Okay, IOP, where NCT, shorts and AT is there. CCT, once we put the pachymetry values, the correction factor also comes in. Okay. This foreign body is there in the cornea, where you can draw. All these will have a prefixed contents. Okay. This is a normal case sheet, where now we'll know in detail whether it's a new patient or not, referred by whom, and the date. You will have whichever case sheet you have opened. A normal case sheet is open here. So you don't have to enter the slit lamp finding every time. If you have it done, you can just put normal and all these fills up. Okay. So this is diagnosis centered. It's ICD-10 coded. Medication, and then the duration, when you want the patient to come, and you can write the comments. If you want the patient, which that also can be made it as a template base. You can create the template for review plan also. Treatment and advice, whether you need a counseling, and all this can be done. This is a sample case sheet. This is a summary of the whatever you have written. Once you go there, you can see the summary. So once this is clicked, you will see the summary of the patient. So whatever we have done in the normal case sheet, because you don't have to open the normal case sheet every time, you can just go to the summary and see. When the patient comes for the second visit, this is the tree which will tell us. So we will know from this whether the patient has done perimetry. Otherwise, every time we have to go to the previous dates and check. So we can make an entry. So we'll know whether perimetry has been done. Whatever you want, you can make a note of it here. Okay. So that's it. Thank you. So only thing is we have to create what we want. The EMR will have a lot of components. We have to be clear what we want and how we have to set the workflow. Thank you.